How to fix Roblox game client not responding. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix Roblox game client not responding. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have the Roblox game installed, you've been playing, all of a sudden it says Roblox game client is not responding. What are some of the steps you can fix it? Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is when Roblox is running, you can simply force close it. If the cross icon over here doesn't work, there is another way to force close it. Come to your task label over here, right click your mouse and then just go to task manager. And when you go to task manager over here, you should most likely be able to see the application called Roblox over here. Make sure to select it, right click, and then make sure to just click on end task. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully force cleared your Roblox task. And after you've done that, there are a couple of things that you can do. First, just check by clicking the arrow icon from the bottom right that there are no hidden background applications. If there are any of the hidden background applications over here, they are going to use a lot of RAM in the background, and as a result, Roblox might not run smoothly. After you've done that, also check whether your Windows is updated to the latest version. Head over to your settings. Once you head to settings, go to Windows Update, and then just go to install all update over here, restart your device, and now just come back and then open Roblox again, and you should be good to go from now on. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.